dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita,
muerde para aquí, muerde para allá.
dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita,
Muerde para aquí, muerde para allá.
dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita,
Muerde para aquí, muerde para allá.
dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita,
Muerde para aquí, muerde para allá.
dame tu cosita, ay,
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Op. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Op. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Op. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Op. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op. Oppan Gangnam Style.
dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita,
Muerde para aquí, muerde para allá.
dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita,
Muerde para aquí, muerde para allá.
dame tu cosita, ay.
This is the holiday party app which we are going to develop today in the app lab. So as you can see here, there is a big screen which I have created using an image component, and these are the various GIF images which I have placed over here below this big screen. Fine. Now what happens in this app, if I will click on any of the GIF images, automatically this image I will be able to see on this big screen. Likewise, if I will click on this, I will be able to see this GIF image on this big screen over here. Fine. So this is how the images are getting changed. And if I want to play a background music, so for that what I can do is I can click on this boy over here and automatically
Dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita,
Muerde para aquí, muerde para allá.
dame tu cosita, ay.
So this is how I have developed this app. And if I want to change the background music, so this is the second boy on which if I will click, you will be able to hear the second music. This is the second song which I have integrated with this app.
Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady.
So now let's check out the code which I have made use of in the app lab for coding this beautiful app. uh, this is a simple image which you are seeing at the background of this app. Fine. And I have placed two label boxes. One is with name song 1 and the other is with name song 2 on these two images over here, these boys images. This is the code that I have defined over here for these two label boxes. So when the user will click on this song 1 label box, automatically this is the song pasito.mp3. This is the user will be able to hear this song. In case the user hit this song 2 button, he will be able to hear this Gangnam.mp3 song. Fine. Now let's check out the code which I have made use of for changing the images on this big screen. So this is a simple image button I have defined over here. There are 8 image buttons which I have defined. So the image buttons, the images which are visible to us below this big screen, these are 8 different image components I have made use of for defining these 8 different GIF images over here. The name of this one is char1, this one is char2, the name of this one is char3, then char4, char5, char6, 7 and 8. Now when the user will hit this char1 image component, this is a code which is going to get executed. So this is the code set image URL. So this code is going to set the image of the main screen. So when the user will hit this char1 image button, what is going to happen? This image component, the name of this image component is main, and the image is going to get changed to char1's image. Okay, the image which is visible to us in this char1 image component, it is going to come here and it is going to get reflected in this main image component screen. And likewise, I have coded for the rest 7 image components also. This is a code which is going to get executed when the user will hit this char2 image component. This is the code which is going to get executed when the user will hit the char3 image component. And likewise, this is for char4, this is for char5, this is for char6, and this one is for char7, and last one is for char8. So it's a very simple app which you can develop on your own without any help. Just try and develop this thing yourself. It is very, very, very interesting. Thank you very much and God bless you all. Bye bye.